Hi all. In this video we are going to see transformer and its types, and the next one is energy efficient transformer, and what are the energy saving methods in transformer. That is, what are the energy saving methods to improve the transformer efficiency. Generally, what is transformer means? It is a static device, that is it is not having any, since it is not having any moving parts in it, and it is a device which converts AC power into AC power with the different level of conversion. That is, there are two levels, that is step down level and step up level. That is, it will step down the voltage and step up the voltage, and it has two parts, that is primary part and secondary part. Based on the number of turns that is found in the primary and secondary, the voltages can be stepped up or stepped down, and it permits electrical energy to be generated at a relatively low voltage and transmitted at a high voltages. That is, the generation can be in the form of very low value, but can be transmitted with high values, thus reducing line losses and voltage drop. Transformers consist of two or more coils that are electrically insulated but magnetically linked. The primary coil is connected to the power source, and the secondary coil is connected to the load. That is, one is source and the another one is load, and vice versa. And the number of turns ratio, that is the turns ratio of the transformer, is given by the number of turns on the secondary to the turns on the primary side. This is the primary side, and this is the secondary side. And here if you see 10 to 120 volt, 110 to 120 volt, here it is step down, step up, that is to 220 to 240 volt. Here 120 to 220 to 240 volt primary side voltage is step down to 110 or 120 volt. Next is the secondary voltage is equal to the primary voltage, the number of the turns ratio. Ampere turns are calculated by, that is, it is in short, it is denoted by AT, calculated by multiplying the current in the coil times the number of turns. Primary ampere turns are equal to secondary ampere turns. The next one is the important term, voltage regulation of a transformer is the percent increase in voltage from full load to no load, that is full load voltage to no load voltage. There are different types of transformers, that is based on the categories, that is power transformers and distribution transformer. Power transformer means high voltage transformer, that is which is used to transform high voltage through step up or step down application. For step up or step down application, then it is called power transformer. And for low voltage, that is distributed level areas, is called distribution transformer. There they will have a low voltage for distributing the power. Next is rating of a transformer is calculated based on the connected load to the transformer and applying the diversity factor on the connected load applicable to the particular industry, and arrive at the kVA rating of the transformer. Generally, what is diversity factor? That is individual, that is the individual maximum demand of overall substations is divided by overall maximum demand, that is maximum demand of on the whole system, is called diversity factor. Generally, it must be very less value, that is it must be less than 1, then only the system is good. Location of a transformer. The location of a transformer is very important as far as distribution loss is concerned. Transformers receives hasty voltage from the grid and steps it down to the, that is a high transmission voltage, to the required voltage. Transformers should be placed close to the load center, then we can reduce the transmission losses, that is wire losses or cable losses, considering other features like optimization needs for centralized control, operational flexibility, etc. Next is transformation losses, that is The losses are the major factor that affects the efficiency of the transformer. There are two main losses in transformer, that is no load losses and load losses. There is no load loss is also called iron loss, load loss is also called copper loss. The efficiency varies, that is the efficiency of transformer varies anywhere between 96 to 99%, and the efficiency of transformer is not only depends on the design but also the effective operating load, that is no load loss or low loss. That is here it is shown that percentage transformer capacity versus kilowatt loss, that is it is the characteristics between percentage of rated capacity versus kilowatt loss. The purple color, the violet color denotes the winding loss in kilowatts, that is it is for 100 percentage of the rated capacity it is 2.5 kilowatt or 2500 watts. The sky blue color denotes the core loss in kilowatts, it is constant for all percentage of capacity. Next is energy efficient transformer, that is energy saving, that is what are the energy savings will helps to improve the transformer efficiency. Most energy loss in dry type transformers occurs through heat or vibration from the core, that is the core in the transformer will cause some vibration, due to that the energy is lost, due to that the efficiency also gets reduced, and some heating problems also available in transformer. It will also result in efficiency decreasing. A high efficiency transformer minimizes these losses. Conventional transformer is made up of silicon alloyed ion or grain oriented core. This is an example with the transformer setup, that is there are some alloyed, that is silicon layer alloyed core available here, number of cores, and iron losses are of any transformer depends on the type of core used in the transformer. Latest technology is to use amorphous material, that is instead of using iron alloy, here they are using amorphous material, metallic glass alloy for the core, which reduces such losses. Reduction in this is one of the major factor, kindly note. Introduction, that is reduction in any energy loss over conventional silicon ferrite core transformers is roughly around 70%, which is quite significant. By using an amorphous core with unique physical and magnetic properties, a new type of transformers have increased efficiencies even at low loads, that is even at low loads the efficiency will be around 100, that is 98.5 efficiency at 35% of load. Next is this is a amorphous core transformer, that is previously we have seen a silicon ferrite core transformer. It is amorphous core transformer, that is of rating capacity 1600 kVA. Here you can see this is a amorphous material transformer. Here the electrical distribution transformer made with the amorphous metal core provides excellent opportunity to conserve energy right from the installation. Though these transformers are little costlier than conventional iron core transformers, overall benefits towards energy saving will be compensated for the higher initial cost. That is, even though the higher initial cost is high, it will compensate because for this type of amorphous type of transformer, they require less maintenance, and they will cause low losses, that is low heating losses or any vibration losses, which will also increase the energy, makes a transformer as energy efficient. Therefore, it is more considerable. So this is about energy, that is different types of transformers and what is transformer, and energy saving techniques or methods in transformer. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.